Whether you're at home, in the office, or even on vacation, you can now use the Walmart Seller app to manage your Walmart Marketplace account. In this lesson, we'll dive into the benefits of the app, some of its unique features, and how to use the tools you'll need most. The Walmart Seller app lets you manage your sales and orders, resolve issues quickly, and communicate with customers in real time. It also helps you stay up to date on your Walmart Marketplace store while you're out and about. The Walmart Seller app is packed with features that'll help you streamline your daily operations efficiently. Some of these features include monitoring your sales, receiving alerts, communicating with customers, and managing your orders and returns. One feature that makes our app so unique is our performance tracker. From the home screen, you can keep track of your sales and performance using this tracker. You can also use the Seller Health dashboard to review your sales and monitor your overall business performance, like your current balance and store's rating. From your app's homepage, you'll see several shortcuts to essential sections of the app. You can use those links to easily navigate to your catalog, orders, returns, support cases, and seller guides. Let's look at the Notifications tab next. This feature helps you stay up to date on your Seller Center account by sending you alerts about important items like late deliveries, low inventory rates, and new orders. Looking for up-to-the-minute updates on your Seller Center account? Be sure to enable push notifications to receive alerts about any activity concerning your account, even when you're not signed in. This way, you'll be notified about messages from buyers, incoming orders, shipment status, and any inventory that's out of stock. If you need to respond to a message, tap on your Inbox tab. Your inbox is your main communication source when using the Seller app. When you tap a message, you'll be able to see the message's general details, such as the subject, order number, the message's status, and the product associated. Tap Reply to draft a message in the body text shown or use a template. Make sure to insert a tag based on the item's name or the shipped date. Once you've finished crafting your message, go ahead and send it. Now that you know all about our unique features within our mobile app, let's look at other features that you can use to streamline your daily tasks. You can review your catalog from anywhere to see your current items that you sell on Walmart.com. From your catalog, toggle your view of items based on what is published or unpublished. You can also search your catalog for any items you sell based on its SKU, product name, or product ID. Or filter your results based on your item's price, inventory, or fulfillment type. Once you find your item, you can make changes to your item's price, as well as your item's inventory availability at your warehouses. If you want to see what your product listing looks like to customers, simply tap the eyeball icon to preview your listing on Walmart.com. Managing your orders through the mobile app is simple. From the Orders page, you can view and manage all your current orders from customers. Can't find a certain order? Try filtering your order results based on the status of an order, when an item was shipped or ordered, or how that item was fulfilled. There's also a way to search for an order based on what has shipped, not shipped, and canceled orders. When you tap the order that you're looking for, you'll be directed to the order details to see the general order details, as well as all the items within that order. Make sure to tap Acknowledge Order if you receive any new orders. Once the order is acknowledged, print the packing slip and get the item ready to ship. Your order's status will be updated once your item has shipped or been delivered to the customer. You can manage your returns through our Seller Center app as well. From the Returns page, you'll be able to view and manage your entire return requests in one single view. You can view how many returns you've initiated, received, and completed. Check our lesson resources on Walmart Returns to learn more. Ready to get started? You can sign up for access to the Seller app program by scanning the QR code on your screen now. And that's it. You're now a pro at managing the Walmart Seller app. Don't forget to check out other Seller Academy tutorials to keep learning.